So this is week 31 Wednesday, and number 2 says, what is the product of all real numbers for n for which absolute value n squared minus 9n plus 20 equals to 16 minus n squared? So we can divide this up into 4 cases. One where this is positive, and this is positive. One where this is negative, and this is positive. One where this is positive, and this is negative. And one where both of these are negative. So if both of them are positive, we can see that it's just n squared minus 9n plus 20 equals 16 minus n squared. And then if this is negative and the other is positive, we have minus n squared plus 9n plus minus 20 equals 16 minus n squared. If this is negative and the other is positive, we have n. We don't have the. We have n squared plus 9n minus 20 equals to n squared minus 16. And finally, if both of them are equal to are negative, then we have n squared minus 9 negative n squared plus 9n minus 20. This is actually minus 9n plus, and then so this minus 20 equals to 6n squared minus 16. So we know that this one and this one are the same, because if you just multiply by minus 1 on both sides, then we can see that those are equal. And the same with these two equations. If we multiply negative 1 on both sides, they'll be equal, so you can also. So now we're left with 2 cases. So we can first start off by solving this blue one. So canceling the n squared terms and then adding 20 on both sides, we have 9n equals 36, so we know that n equals 4. So checking this, we can see that it's just 16 minus 36 plus 20 equals 16 minus 16. So we can see that this checks out, and so we know that this is correct. So now we know that n equals 4 is a definite solution. And now we can move on to this case. So on this case, we can first simplify and just add n squared on both sides, subtract 16, and we're left with this quadratic. So using the quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus minus square 4ac, b squared minus 4ac, over 2a, we can substitute this, so it's just going to be x equals to 9 plus minus square root of 81 minus 4 times 2 times 4, which is 32, over 4. Yeah, over 4. So we can split this into 2 cases where it just goes to either 9 plus square root 49 over 4 or 9 minus square root 49 over 4. So this we can simplify to 1 over 2, and this we can simplify to 4. Since we already know 4 works, we just cancel out this whole case, and we're left with this. So let's check if 1 over 2 works. So this is just 1 over 4. 1 over 4 minus 9 over 2 plus 20 equals 16 minus 1 over 4. And then we can see that this is just 15, 3 over 4. And this one over here is just equal to also 15, 3 over 4. So, wait. Yeah, okay. So, after this, we can see that 1/2 also works. So, the answer just 1 over 2 times 4, which is equal to 1, which is equal to 2. So, the answer is 2.